Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the BenQ EX271Q 27-inch 2K 180Hz gaming monitor. A display built to balance speed, color accuracy, and everyday versatility. This monitor features a QHD resolution of 2560 x 1440, giving you sharper detail than standard 1080p while still maintaining strong gaming performance. With wide color coverage and HDR400 support, visuals look vibrant and dynamic, whether you're diving into cinematic RPGs or watching high-quality content. Performance is smooth and responsive, thanks to the 180 Hz refresh rate and fast response time. Fast-paced shooters and racing games feel fluid, and AMD FreeSync support helps eliminate screen tearing for a cleaner experience during intense moments. It also includes practical features like a built-in KVM switch, allowing you to control multiple devices with one keyboard and mouse. USB-C connectivity with power delivery makes it easy to connect and charge compatible laptops with a single cable. BenQ's eye care technology helps reduce strain during long sessions, which is great for both gaming and work. HDR brightness isn't at the level of premium HDR displays, but for its category, it delivers solid performance and strong overall value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.